What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This is the unboxing of Galaxy S8 in 2018. Let's go ahead and get on with it.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
As you can see, guys, 64 gigs, midnight black. You can see all the specifications right here at the back. Love everything about this phone. God damn, good specs. Good specs on a good size phone. Yeah, baby. All sealed up, QR code. That's gotta go. Alright, here it is. That's our new shiny new phone. Look how slick it is. Let's see what's inside. The SIM card ejector tool and all the other stuff. That's the USB connector. Has the USB-C at one end that goes into your phone and USB-A on the other end for all the gadgets. That's your charger right there. Fast charging right out of the box. Really cool. Really cool. Love fast charging. We have the Australian standard connector right here. What else do we have? So the cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-A. Type-A goes into the charger, Type-C goes into your phone. Obviously, that's how it is. Micro USB connector, USB-C to a female micro USB so that you can use your old cables with your phone. There you go. And finally, the most awaited one, the Akg Tuned Headphones or earphones or earplugs, whatever you want to call, by Samsung. Well, they technically bought AKG. Heard that they sound really good. We're obviously going to test that. And the headphone jack is there, 3.5mm. Gotta love that. 2018 still has that. Gotta love it. Ooh, this is my favorite part. Let's peel off the phone. Alright, look how shiny it is. Just love how shiny and curvy and yeah, you know what I mean. That's it. Filming on that device right there. Yeah, that's the back, the shiny back. Yes, it's still there. Flash, heart rate monitor, everything. Let's go ahead and boot the device. Samsung Galaxy S8 powered by Android. That's all the unboxing that we can do. I'll make another video to show you the size that you get for this phone, like the free storage right out of the box, the free RAM and everything. So be sure to subscribe for that and check out other videos. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe. Bye bye now.